Hi, I'm Dr. Claudia Kim, cosmetic surgeon here at New Look New Life. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most basic ways to restore harmony and lift to the face, and that's cheek augmentation. Think of your cheeks as the structural support to our face. As we age, our cheeks naturally lose volume, and we also lose the collagen and the elasticity that keeps everything tight. So the fat pads beneath the skin actually shift downward because gravity always wins. And that youthful fullness to the mid-face starts to fade. This can make the face look tired or hollow. It makes the under eyes look more hollow. The nasolabial lines and the marionette lines become more prominent because of the falling cheeks. And in some individuals, they may have what's called festoons, and yes, there is a name for it, which is that line or dent in the cheeks from the falling or the diminishing cheeks that can add to people looking tired. But cheek augmentation helps to bring that volume and the support back, and it restores the contour, lift, and balance to your features. It's not about making you look different, it's about enhancing your natural structure and bringing that soft, youthful shape back. There's a few ways that we go about doing this. So most common options are using dermal fillers or fat transfer. In some cases, you can do actual cheek implants for long-term structural enhancement. With fillers, I can instantly add volume in very precise areas to lift that mid-face, and you can smooth the smile lines or highlight your cheekbones. With fat transfer, you're actually using your own fat, and you can actually have that natural, long-lasting result with your own stuff. And for patients wanting a more permanent change, implants can actually define the cheek contour in a single procedure. What I love about cheek augmentation is how it can really subtly rejuvenate the entire face. When that mid-face is lifted, the under eyes look brighter, the jawline looks more defined, and the overall balance of your face is restored, all while keeping your natural expressions. The exact treatment is customized for you, and we'll look at anatomy, bone structure, and proportions to decide which approach will complement your features best. And the goal is always natural elegance, a refreshed, lifted look that still looks like your original you. Downtime depends on which technique you and your provider will choose. So filler injections take just a few minutes, while the fat transfer implants may have a few days of swelling, bruising, and downtime. Either way, the results are visible quickly, and it continues to improve as everything starts to settle in. If you've noticed your cheeks looking a little flatter, or you just want more definition and lift, cheek augmentation can really be a beautiful way to restore balance and confidence to your face. If you like these educational videos, give me a like and a follow. Thank you.